Hello everyone, Sar here. Thank you so much for joining me for an unboxing of the Buttons Galore and More box. This is probably a fall themed, I'm going to guess. I haven't looked into it yet. I got it about a week ago. Just been a little busy to create a video on the unboxing, but I am ready and I am wanting to see what's inside of it. So I'm very, very excited, but my guess will be fall. And the reason is because I do get the newsletter, which I try not to look at, and I think I saw fall stuff. Unfortunately, I did not use the box last time at all, so I have nothing to show at the end. But if this is fall, then hopefully I will be inspired to use it. It's a shame though, because there was actually some really cute fish in the last box. So hopefully, I always put myself into this position where I don't have enough time for anything. So I actually downloaded, I'm gonna open this while I talk. I actually finally got into a schedule. I'm looking at an app to play with, and I'm going to start organizing myself so that I can actually do stuff that I want to. So wish me luck. Okay, so I am right. My speculation is correct. Fall Findings is the box this time around. I lost track of how many boxes I have. I think I'm just going to do the full year and then finish it off because I'm not using the product enough to warrant buying it more. But I just love, I want to do a full year and then move on to maybe something else, but we'll see. So there it is, Fall Findings. And let's see what's inside of this. I'm just going to randomly pick some stuff here. And, ooh, this one's pretty. This one's called Fall Harvest. And this is a bunch of little sprinkles. And it looks like we have some apples, some gems. There's even some actual faux sprinkles in there, some green and brown ones, and there's a nice shiny gem there, and some flowers. So this is, you can almost think of those as sunflowers and get a really nice harvest shaker card going on here. Really like all the elements in this one. There's even some orange flowers, so great combo, great colors. Yeah, I really like this one. Next, we have one that's called Buttons Galore, and it's a bunch of sequins and gems. At first, I thought this was Christmas just because of the colors and the shine, but no, it's actually fall. Those are apples and leaves. Let's pop this one open and see what it's like. So there we go. It's really nice and shiny. Got some green gems and it looks like gold ones. And I bet you I can put this in a Christmas shaker card and no one will notice because it looks so much like it. If you actually look at these apples, there's like a holographic shimmer to it, I think. Is my eyes playing tricks? No. Yeah, see that? That's kind of cool. I thought it was just a plain sequence, but it's like shiny and it actually dances. And you got some little leaves in there too, some green sequence. Okay, so this one passes for a good shaker. And it's very sparkly and beautiful. Okay, and that's Buttons Galore. So 2 for 2. Yes, I would say so. Next, we have buttons. And we have some pumpkin and leaf buttons. It's called Pumpkin Harvest. And this really tickles my fancy. I love fall so much. And when I start seeing pumpkins, I just get so excited. And it would be kind of cool if they actually had the little vines attached to them. I know it's probably a little too delicate, but that would be really cute. But look how cute these pumpkins are. You can actually cut those right off. This one won't fall apart because it's just one piece, and glue that right down, and that would work really well. These are so cute. And that's the Pumpkin Harvest buttons. Really nice. I love the color and everything. Next. Oh no, I got another big bottle of buttons. This one's called Harvest. Oh no, what am I going to do with all these buttons? Oh, that one's kind of fun. Look at that one. That one's like speckled. I was like, that's kind of cool. let's just take a look here. Oh my goodness. I mean, it is called Buttons Galore and More. I guess this is the buttons part. This is the Buttons Galore part. But these are beautiful buttons. I love the colors. I feel like I got these colors on another kit, but maybe it's just some of the colors. In August, maybe? I don't know. Very pretty. I love that huge, look at that huge button there. You know what? The day I find out what to do with these buttons, like I'm going to find an inspiration, I'm going to be set. And I'm going to be like, I am good to go because I have a lot of these buttons. I like it. I love it so much. Okay. The next one we have is it's Fall Y'all. And these are flat backs. So we got some nice pumpkins here and sunflowers and acorns. Those are cute. I love pumpkins. I really do. I wonder if we'll get a Halloween or if it's just going to go right to Christmas. I'm not sure. How many months are left? We still have September. It's not every other. I don't know how many months there are. Maybe there's one kit left. Well, anyways, getting sidetracked. These are really cute. And I love how they're flat back, so you don't need to snip them and you can glue them right on. So those are really cute as well. I think I like the color of those pumpkins better. But I love that the little stems attached to this one's green. So they both have their pretty purposes. And then we have another little bag of, they're not buttons. I'm not sure what you would call these. These are just flat back embellishments and they're very clear. They come in, looks like yellow, orange, and green, different shades. It's hard to tell because they're overlapping, but let's just take those out. This will be easier, right? Yeah, there we go. Almost has like, reminds me of wine gums as if they were hard candy, the colors. Oh, here's a button. Oh, 2 buttons. There you go. Got 2 buttons in there. And the rest are just flat backs. And that's kind of cool. I like that. And they do have a little bit of texture on them. I'm not sure if you can tell. It's like a hatchback texture. These would actually be quite easy to put on a card without it being very noticeable because you'll see right through it and it'll just add a little bit of texture. We got to do the little shaking test. There we go. I like that sound. I really love that sound of like little glass pieces or whatever, but safer because they're plastic, not sharp. Okay, what's next? Ooh, now this is a big bag of sequins, and I see those leaves. They're the same ones that are in this bag here, like little oak leaves. And this is called Touch of Fall, and it is all gold and yellow. You could actually use this. Oh, there's a flower there too. I was going to say you can use this for Christmas if you were to take the leaves out. Or actually, no, if you did a gold themed card, those leaves just look, you could be easily tricked into holly. So that's not bad. Very pretty. I'm not going to open it because there's nothing that's hiding in here. I think it's all going to be gold and yellow. That's so pretty. Some shine and some sparkle and some are matte. Yeah, not bad. Touch of Fall. Now I'm trying to think of what tree has yellow leaves. I think a birch tree has yellow leaves in the fall. But I don't know any others. Cute. I love the pumpkin. Fall Friends. Are these the same as? No, those are different. So I got some more, or we have some more sunflowers. And yep, so you can snip the backs off, but then you'll probably have to glue that back on just so that it doesn't fall out. Very cute. I love the packaging on this one. This one actually stands up more than the rest of them. I really like that. Good job. I like that. Yeah. I'm loving the sunflowers too. Really nice. What else do we have in here? Oh, ooh, another big flower container. This is pretty cool. Okay, side note, last time I opened one of these, I had tipped it up. I opened it upside down. And it took me like an hour to clean up every single thing and put them back in. So that is one downfall with this packaging, because I can't tell, even though you should know, I bet you anything I will open this upside down again at some point. And if that's the case, I don't know what to say. But this actually is probably one of the best things in the box. I really like all the different elements. Oh, I want to open it so bad. You know what? I'm going to. But I'm prepared. This is not going to be upside down. I am prepared. I want to show you all what's in here. Okay, so I opened the one side. Let's make sure this is... Oh, I'm so afraid. No, I did it. I did open upside down. Oh, no. Oh, it did get me. See what I mean? There we go. That's not too bad. I caught it just in time. Oh, my goodness. You know what? I'm going to actually put a label on this to say which side to open it up on, because I swear I had it right the first time. Anyways, look at this. Got some nice lemon yellow pearls. We have some bright, no, not bright, kind of like a holographic lemonade. Not lemonade either. Not sure what you would call that. It's just a very pretty yellow. And then we have some brown, more of a brown color. We have some pumpkins. Then we have, I don't think they're seed beads. I think they're way too big, but these will give you nice sound in your shaker. Then we have some bronze, almost bronze leaves. And then we have this color here, which is probably one of my favorite colors in this package. I wouldn't call it coral, but it's almost like a reddish orange and has like a sheen to it. But these are all really pretty. Loving this mix. This will create a fantastic fall card. And you have so many choices to choose from. This is more sophisticated color. Coffee would look good with that, you know. Yeah, this is really cool. And this is the box exclusive. And you know what? They put it on the wrong side. That should not be on that side. It should be on this side, because this is the way you open it. Oh my goodness. Every time. So there you go. That is the Fall Findings box from Buttons Galore and More. You get all this fall goodness, and I am loving it. You have some apples and clay polymer. I think they're clay polymer sequins. You have their traditional sequins, which rattles really nicely. Buttons, gold sequins, this trickster box, buttons, and sunflowers. So many great fall items. If you're interested, I'll put the information in the box below, or in the description box below. And it is Buttons Galore and More. So until the next time, have a fantastic week. I'll talk to you all later, and take care.